All right, today for our lesson for science, we are going to learn about matter. Okay, we'll learn how to classify it by its physical properties. For this lesson, we'll be learning vocabulary words that we need to know to study matter. Please read the following words and their definitions. You will complete a practice activity and then have to match our new vocabulary words with their definitions. All right, the first word that we need to know is matter. Okay, matter is stuff that everything is made of. So this has matter. It's made of something. Our phones are made of matter. We are matter. We are all have matter. Physical properties. Things about an object that can be seen with our eyes, heard, tasted, smelled, or felt, so you can feel of it. So I can feel that this is soft. Okay, I can smell that my coffee smells good. Okay, I can taste that chocolate tastes very good. That's a physical property. Solid. Okay, a solid is a material that has a set shape that does not change. Okay, so a solid would be, this would be a solid, for example. The shape of this is not going to change. Okay, my phone is a solid. The shape of it is not going to change. Liquid. Okay, a liquid is a material that has no set shape and can flow and drip. So, I have a drink from McDonald's. Okay, and inside my drink is a liquid because it can flow, and if I spilt it, it would drip. Texture. Texture of something is how rough or how smooth the thing is. So if I felt of sandpaper, which is in this picture, the sandpaper would feel very rough. Okay? Can you think of something that is rough? Now, there's also something that can be smooth, for example. Okay, so this is smooth. I can feel of how smooth it is. Can you think of something for yourself as an example that is smooth? Length. Length is the distance from one end of something to the other end. So from here to here is the length of this object. Okay, we can do it with a pen. The length of an object. That's how long something is. Temperature. Okay, you may hear people talk about the temperature of something. That is how hot or how cold something is. So right now, is the temperature outside hot or cold? Flexibility. It's the ability to bend without breaking. Okay, so flexibility. A regular pencil does not have a lot of flexibility. It will break. Flexibility is when something can bend and move. Okay, your practice activity today is going to be on STEM scopes right here, STEM scopes. So, to get there, you will go to fortworthisd.org/myfwisd and log into your My Class Link account. Okay, wherever you get where you log in to get to all of your apps. On there, you will choose STEM scopes. This app right here, this is what we're going to be using most of the time for science. Okay, STEM scopes. Complete the activities called Escopedia, Classifying Matter 1 and 2, and watch the Science Rock video. These have already been assigned to you, so they should come up for you. After you finish that, we have a vocabulary match. Okay, you're going to complete the Google form matching all of your new vocabulary words to their correct definitions. Please type in your first and last name correctly in the Google form so I know who you are. Okay, I want to make sure you get the right grade. All right.